Hello, we're going to explain now how the project was done, the methodology, the calculations, and the conclusions for it. So let's begin with the methodology of how the juices were done.
Okay, so to create our strawberries, first we started weighing the initial strawberries, and that gave us a weight of 407 grams. Then after that, we cut the strawberries so we could blend them. So we cut off the stem, and we saved that for later to later weigh the waste. We added the strawberries to our blender, and then we added water. We added 370 millimeters of water, and we added 4 cubes of ice. Then we blended and we made sure that the juice was a little bit higher than 1 liter so that when we strain it, it's exactly 1 liter. So as I said, we will then after the juice is done and we blend everything together, we strain it to take out the waste and for it to be like a clear juice. Then we weigh the strawberry waste, so like the stem part, and we weigh that, and then we weigh what we got in the strainer. So as you can see in the pictures, we are weighing the stems and then the strainer, and then we sum it up, and we have our total waste, which is 56 grams.
So in the case of orange juice, to begin we carefully select 7 orange of similar size to ensure precision. The first thing we did, we weighed the oranges in 2, 2, 2, 1 because there are 7 oranges. So then we cut them and began to squeeze them until they produced 1 liter without adding anything at all, which was exactly 7 orange. And finally, we carry out a detailed measurement of the peels to measure the waste. First, we measure the peels and we remove the pulp from each fruit of the oranges and weigh it. With this, we obtain the weight of the waste and, on the other hand, the weight of the oranges.
For the calculations that we did, here we have the real cost, which was just basically a rule of three involving how much did it cost, how much was there in the bag, and how much did we actually use. Here we have all the data that we gathered by weighting it. And here we also have the percentage of waste, which was calculated by dividing the total waste by the total that was used for the liter of juice. Here we also have the waste in terms of money, which was just the percentage multiplied by the cost. And here we also have the calculations for the standard cost, which is basically just real cost minus the waste in terms of money.
Okay, so for our conclusions, it will be like the fruit with the most waste per liter on the juice. It will be definitely the strawberry with a 38.33% in compared to the percentage of the orange that it will be 32.46%. Also, it's something curious because the quantity, for example, for the orange, that is also lower the percentage in money, it will be 1,272, but the strawberry that has like kind of 6% more in the waste, it will be 1,168. So it means that the strawberry, it's also cheaper than the orange. Personally, I never will think about it because I have like the concept that the orange, it's like cheaper than the strawberry. And also we got like a standard cost of 2,068 for the orange, and for the strawberry it will be 1,880 pesos for the strawberry. So we conclude that the better fruit for do the juice and all this stuff, it will be the orange in terms on percentage of the waste, but also is really much cheaper doing from the strawberry. So it depends also in your budget and in which one do you like more. So definitely in my personal opinion will be recommend more the strawberry because I like it that much, but being like knowledge and more aware of the percentage of the waste, it will be definitely recommended the orange one because it's lower the waste that you are going to do and lower the money that you are going to lose about it. So yeah, that's our conclusion. Thank you so much.